3 years ago, we traveled out to the backwoods of South Georgia and found ourselves an abandoned Yamaha Banshee. We brought it back to the shop, looked over it, completely tore it down, and since that day, the frame has been waiting on us in storage to bring it back out and restore its glory, and today is that day. So start to build off strong. Check this out. The frame that we've had for 3 years now, it's been sitting here, is bent. So right off the bat, this puts us in a really bad spot. We gotta go find a frame as soon as possible. Literally right now, because our original plan was to bring this frame to Rick Ross's house for his 4th annual car show. But we still have time to find a frame and get it here. And hopefully we can find one that's not completely messed up and is in tip-top shape as it possibly could be. So while we're searching for a new frame, if y'all thought the frame was in bad condition, let's take a look at the motor. All right, so we're able to find this Yamaha Banshee frame on Marketplace, guys. We got it here in just 2 days. We're in South Louisiana. We got it shipped all the way from Oregon across the country to us. I'm just really hoping that this frame is in better shape than the last one is. It came to ram wrap from across the country. It might have gotten beaten up. Let's just hope not. Let's dig into it and see what kind of shape it's in. As far as on pictures and all, we didn't see any tabs broken. Other than it being dirty, it looks like it's going to be pretty good. So waiting on this frame was a little bit of a setback for us, but I think it was worth it. I believe everything is perfect on this bike and we should be good to use it. Right now, we are less than 10 days out from the Rick Ross car show. So you see this frame's dirty, you see the condition that it's in, that means we gotta turn nothing into something and bring it from New Orleans, Louisiana to Georgia at the Promised Land to one of the best car shows in the country. We're going with a full plastic 1992 retro themed Yamaha Banshee. That year is one of the most iconic years ever. This is not gonna be your average restoration. This will be a 465cc 10 mil Yamaha Banshee. We have no parts right now. We got packages coming in from UPS, Post Office, FedEx, DHL, all coming in within the next couple days. We'll see y'all at the Promised Land. Start the time. We have parts coming in left and right, and as you can see on the table, We're getting the motor sorted out. We have almost all the parts cleaned up and laid out on the table. This is gonna be a brand new engine build. And in this box, y'all, we've been waiting on this because this motor is not your average Banshee motor. This is not going to be a 1992 stock Banshee. No, sir. We do not think the stock Banshees have enough power. We're gonna show you guys just what we're going with. This is how a Banshee should be made from the factory. It's gotta have some power. Oh yeah, this is the one right here, y'all. I'm telling you, this is probably gonna be one of the funnest ride Banshees that we ever built. We're going with the 465 cc Cub cylinders. That takes a 10 mil stroker crank. We actually had these cylinders laying around, and if you check out before pictures, you can see that one of the bottom skirtings were actually broke off, so we sent it off to get fixed. This looks brand new. We're still waiting on the transmission to come in. That's also gonna be brand new as well. And right now, we have the orange frame that you guys saw. It is completely blasted. You blast the paint off, gives it a good surface, a good clean surface with a powder coat to stick to it. All day, as parts are coming in the mail, they're going straight in the dip tank and straight in the blast cabinet. Look at these A-arms. They came in perfectly gloss black. So we put them in our acid dip tank and they come out looking like this. They're completely bare metal, so they rust right away. But they come straight to the blast cabinet, and this is what they look like after. Pretty much rust-free, as you can see. And they are completely clean and ready for coating. So check these out. You wouldn't even knew this was the same motor that we took apart at the beginning of the video. Y'all, we cleaned these up and made them look brand new. We don't like to put our cylinders in the oven. We would powder coat these, I've done it before, but our experience with it is that it actually makes the Nickel, which is the plating inside these cylinders, it makes them weaker. We coat at 400 degrees part temperature, so apparently it makes it softer, so we use an air cure Cerakote, and it almost looks like a satin black powder coat. It's still chemical resistant and all that. So works out good. We're spraying the silver. Pretty much this color is a 2-coat process, so I'll leave it in the oven until, it takes about 10 minutes, until it flows out and gets glossy, and then I'll take it out again, let it cool down, and then we're gonna put a clear coat on it. See if we get the silver knocked out. Kind of doing it in a 2-part process, just because it's a lot of silver. Now it's time to throw some sauce on the frame. Late night working, the oven makes it about 10 degrees hotter in the shop, and it's 90 degrees outside. So we're burning up in this thing, getting it done. We're gonna be shooting the powder coat with my Yamaha Optiflex Pro. Very good gun, but one of the best guns in the game. And I don't know, it's a fun process knocking out this bike. The hard part about powder coating is the prep work. The fun part is actually spraying. Let's keep it going. Whew, a ton of parts in there. This is going to be the clear coat and its final cure stage. We got the oven set at 450 degrees, get the parts up to 400 degrees. Should be in there for close to an hour. And then a full bake coming out tomorrow, y'all. And that is pretty much all the parts powder coated. So that was a ton of work. It's hot. The oven makes it probably, I know I said 5 degrees earlier, it makes it like 15 degrees hotter in here. So that'll be it for the night. I'm not even rocking socks, it's just too hot. Hi y'all, that's the